here, and this video is going to be my part of my best free tools ever playlist. And in this one, I'm going to show you a free Photoshop tool that can do almost anything that Photoshop can do. So far, I haven't encountered any limitations to it. I use both Photoshop and that, and I prefer it in a lot of situations because it's lighter and easier to use. So we're gonna head to photopea.com. This is it. Once you get there, I'm gonna do a quick editing so you can see how awesome this web application is. For our team tonight, or whenever you're watching this video, we're gonna use photography, and I'll just go ahead with this first picture here. We'll download it, allow, and mad shout out to Kaike Rocha. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. And once you get the file, you can head to your Finder or your File Explorer in Windows and click and drag it to the Photopea page. Image is loaded. You can, as I mentioned, do pretty much anything you would do in Photoshop here. And differences are mainly shortcuts that are in Photoshop. Like, you couldn't use Control T to move this picture as well in a Windows computer, because if you press Control T, it opens up a new tab, and then you have all this conundrum. So basically, if you want to move or rotate the picture, you have to click Transform Tools. Once you get used to it, it's very easy. And so I'm gonna stop talking and just get to editing, and I'll fast forward this so you can see cool things you can do with that. And one cool thing about Photopea is that you have way more fonts than you would have had in Photoshop. So another cool feature is that you can keep adding new items, pictures in the file you're already working with. So let's try this one. For some reason, it's not letting me drag from the downloads icon, but if you just click and drag here, you can import things and do a lot of cool stuff with it. For instance, on this one, I can turn this white. Oh, I forgot to mention clip and mask. If you're used to Photoshop, it doesn't have the little arrow logo, icon, so you have to select clipping mask so it doesn't affect the other layers but only the one that you're editing on. So once you're done with your edits, you can choose to export it as one of those file types, or you could save the file that you were working on to work on later on Photoshop or on Photopea right here. So yeah, you can choose your quality and everything. So if you're used to Photoshopping, you already understand what's going on here. And with that being said, thank you for watching this video. I'll keep coming up with those free tools for you guys, and don't forget to leave me a like on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well.